is a secret room in my house. It's right over there. I call it the Room of Treasures. My husband has a different name for it. He calls it the appendix of the house because that's where everything goes. Because, why now? Because, why does he call it the appendix? Because he says it fills up with so much stuff that it could burst at any moment. We're both right. But despite how appendicitis-y that Room of Treasures may be, I've got a whole mess of Monster High parts and play sets and random things that I need to declutter from my doll room. I think it's time to navigate into the Room of Treasures and add more treasures to it. I mean, look at all this. And this is only one bin. Maybe Miss Kitten can help this collection of Monster High mess. Okay, so I've cleaned off an area. I think I'm going to put all of my Monster High playsets right here on this shelf. We shall see if it fits. But here's the thing. You see this bin down here? Yeah, CDs. I know. We're in a different century down here. It's the Room of Treasures. Who knows what we'll find next? That bin has been here in the Room of Treasures, which is in the basement, on the floor, for years. The problem is I have a major fear of spiders. Live ones, dead ones. I'm afraid to move that bin. Don't worry, I'm not going to show you any spiders, but I'm just going to have to build up all the bravery that I have within me to move that damn bin of CDs and get it out of the way so that I can use that space for good. But don't worry, I have my trusty vacuum wand and I'm going to use it. Let's take a deep breath and do this thing.